Hello, so today I'm explaining the coding logic of part 2 of my chat app. For the quick chat menu, so after login, the app jumps straight into quick chat. It asks how many messages you want to send. I used integer parsnet because scanner only reads text, so I have to convert it into a number manually. I used a while loop to keep the menu running. When you press quit, it sets chat running to false and the loop stops. Before sending, I check if I hit the message limit using an if statement. If you have not hit it yet, it adds 1 to the count and goes to send message. For the send message page, send message reads the recipient number and message from the user. It creates a new message object which automatically triggers the constructor and generates the ID and hash straight away. It checks the cell number and message length immediately. If the message is over 250 characters, it uses return to stop everything right there. Then it reads the user's choice and passes it to the message class. For the generated hash, For the generated hash, the message ID uses random to generate a 10-digit number. I multiply a decimal by 9 billion and add 1 billion so it is always exactly 10 digits. Then string dot value of converts into text. The message hash uses split to break the message into words. I grab the first and last word, combine them with the first 2 digits of the ID and the message number, and convert everything to uppercase using to uppercase. So, hi Mike, can you join us for dinner tonight becomes 50:1: and in caps hi tonight. For the message sent, handles 3 choices. Choice 1 saves everything into static arrays. I use static because all messages need to go into the same place, no matter how many objects are created. Choice 2 just returns the disregard message. Choice 3 calls store message, which writes the message to a JSON file using file writer. I pass through to file writer so each message gets added to the bottom instead of overwriting the previous ones. For the unit test, I used assert equals to check methods that return strings and assert true to check Boolean methods. I tested both success and failure for self-validation, message length, message hash, and all 3 send options. I used the exact test data from assignment, so message 1 tests valid data and message 2 tests invalid data. And that is part 2. Every method has one job, the logic is clean and all tests pass. Thank you for no one's saying that shit. Okay. Now to test my application if it's running.